Naghahanap ka ba ng very dependable investment that gives you fixed returns every year? Yung tipong kampante ka lang kasi alam mo na ang pera mo is with one of the biggest companies here in the Philippines. FWD Golden 7. This paper asset will give you 4% interest every year, fixed. Whatever happens to the economy, may it be good or bad, you will get 4% interest fixed for the next 7 years. And magkakaroon ka rin ng libreng life protection worth 120% of your total investment. Kaya whatever happens to you, both you and your family will have peace of mind. After 7 years, 100% of your investment will all be given back to you. Yung 4% interest mo every year, you can have it every year. Kapatid, this is just a very limited offer ng FWD in partnership with Security Bank. Kaya for more details, just comment down below Golden 7 and I will send you the details. See you on my next video.